No, don't look turn around, bro. We're not gonna show your face because, like, you know, we don't have your rights yet. Since I think you're part of BBS gang, right? Yeah, so we don't want to show your name, Nelson, and shit like that. What about you, Brian? We're not gonna show your name, bro, so they don't know who you are.
Okay.
Oh, you want me to play one right now?
Yeah.
Sure thing, my guy. Anything for the fans. I don't see any heads moving, bro. I'm feeling worried.
Whoa.
He said somebody did get stuck.
Hey, can we watch like a scary movie?
Oh, we have to go to your room or house, huh?
Yeah.
Dang it!
I'll drive.
Alright,
Actually,
I'll drive.
hey, I'm gonna go to the back way though.
Yeah, I was about to say, y'all should.
Huh?
Again? That always happens. Dang it!
You took a picture?
I said, damn it, again? Huh? But we dipping because I'm cold, bro.
Yeah, let's go.
This is an interview, bro. Hey, bro, come on, don't interrupt. To be honest, I believe.
We're gonna we're here with the speaker, Brian. We're gonna send
putting the earphone in my ear.
We're gonna send to our live reporter Chewy. What happened, Chewy?
Yeah. Oh fuck.
He hasn't answered. Okay, continue. What happened?
I quit.
What happened, sir?
Okay, so I was on my phone, right?
You about to say that again, please?
I was on my
A little louder, please.
I was on my phone.
Did you just take a bite out of my microphone? I'm gonna get some food, bro.
I'm not even hungry, dog. I'm
Really?
hungry. I mean, I'll get a shake though. I'll get a shake.
Your seat's all messed up.
What happened, sir?
Hey, picture time. Hey.
Se me cae el vidrio.
Pero, ¿por qué le pusiste tape? ¿Por qué? ¿Quién le puso esto?
It's because
¿Qué pasó, señor? ¿Qué pasó? Díganos, ¿qué pasó?
Ya me cansé, like, I went to the shop and they told
Dijiste,
me to,
fuck this car, y te compraste, ¿y quieres
I was
otra?
gonna lower it, but the guy's like, you know what's the next thing? Aerodynamic, bitch. Like, the air flows through here and goes that way, so that way the car goes faster. I'm trying to do the same thing on the other side.
Can I do it? With the Yura?
Yeah.
Do it. How's bien, güey?
The doors won't open, bro.
My door won't open from the inside.
This one?
Yeah. Mete y trata de abrir. Cuando le hicieron el...
Estás bien pendejo.
Oh, what the fuck?
Estás bien pendejo.
How the fuck did...
Locked for kids, so they don't open it.
¿Y el tuyo también? ¿El tuyo también tiene?
Ay, sí.
¿El tuyo también tiene, chingados, madre?
No.
Pues el tuyo ya ni abre, ni madres, güey.
No abre ni madre, güey. Look.
¿Y qué sintieron cuando te dieron el madrazo? Platica.
We didn't really feel it, bro. We kept driving until the other car was dragging from the back. My shit hit tailgating.
¿Ah?
No, se veía driving, de repente nada más el ¡pum! Porque le dio al caer y no le tocó a Ariana, nada más se Es como un roller
¿Pero
coaster.
tú qué hiciste?
¿Ah? Yo le hice como Toretto. Ya nos frenamos a un ladito y dije, ¿estás bien?
¿Y de entonces quién fue la culpa?
No puedo hablar de eso hasta que mi lawyer llegue aquí, señor.
Oh, ok.